And welcome back. Coach of Jamaica's Paralympic team, Neville Sinclair, says he's grateful for the gesture shown by the Ministry of Sports to provide assistance for an additional month under the Athletes Assistance Program, despite the postponement of the Paralympic Games. Ronaldo Brown reports.
Following the announcement of the postponement of the 2020 Olympic and Paralympic Games, Minister of Sport Olivia Grange revealed that the ministry would discontinue the Athlete Assistance Program at the end of March. The program, which was rolled out in February, would see Olympic-bound athletes and those on the verge of qualification being given $20,000 per month to help with preparation. But while able-bodied athletes received their last payment at the end of March, the ministry extended the period for 1 month for Paralympic athletes, something Sinclair is extremely grateful for.
Although it might be just 1 month, I can tell you it will be doing a lot of good for the athletes that have been selected. I mean, well, you know, we have given them a list. And on a whole, it will be very helpful for all the athletes. Because, I mean, of all my athletes here, I can tell you, basically, it's about 3 who is actually working. Who is not in school, they are unemployed. So, you know, this will really be a big help.
In the meantime, the national coach says despite being severely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, athletes continue to prepare for next year's games.
They are following the program. I basically check on them, if not every day, every other day. And I can say at least 99.9% of the athletes, they are doing following the program that I set. You know, so we have been using that, and we have been, you know, but as I said, it's not really a disappointment, but it's just a delay. And we have come to grips with it that it'll come first, and, you know, we see through it. And although, as said, they're not really happy what really happened, but they understand, right? And they're living through it.
With the postponement of the Paralympic Games to 2021, the Para World Championships will now take place in 2022. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sport.